How to enable reading ruler in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now here you can select the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on this book. Now simply double tap on this interface. So here you'll be able to see different options that are available. Here on the right top you can see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here there are different fonts, layout and different options available. Simply tap on more. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the third option you can see reading ruler. Simply tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the option called reading ruler. Simply tap on it again. So it has been turned on. Now this is a reading ruler and you can customize it accordingly. So this will give you a basic ruler that will help you read more. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.